Hi everyone, this is another video for remote job positions. So here in this video, I'm going to discuss about customer service manager job. This is a part-time remote job position and the company's name is Crewbloom. This is a great opportunity for people who are looking for work from home or part-time job opportunities. Here as a customer service manager, you will play a pivotal role in supporting customers or students throughout their learning experience. Your vibrant personality and excellent writing skills will help you connect with the community on camera and through written communication. And so basically, as a customer service manager, you will be supporting customers basically who are basically students. This is a flexible work from home position. Here you can work from home or anywhere, and here are the skills and requirements that the company is looking for. So here it is mentioned that this will be flexible schedule including evenings and weekends with a commitment to Monday morning meetings at 9:30 a.m. EST time and Thursdays at 11 a.m. EST time because the company is US based, so they are working as per EST time period, so you have to keep that in mind. And here for customer service manager, they're asking for minimum 3 years of experience in customer service and prefer 3 years in sales. And experience in roles such as social work, teaching, or other people centric positions is a plus. Exceptional writing and verbal communication skills. You should be proficient with CRM systems, Zoom, calendar bookings, spreadsheets, and other digital tools. You should have excellent interpersonal skills and the ability to thrive in high stress situations. So you should be available for 20 to 25 hours per week. Here are some of the system requirements that the company has mentioned. So you should have at least 15 Mbps for the main internet and at least 10 Mbps for backup. A desktop or laptop that has an i5 processor with at least 8 GB RAM and an i3 processor for backup. And backup should still be able to function when there is a power interruption. A webcam is important. Then noise cancelling USB headset, quiet dedicated home office, and a smartphone. Now, here are the key responsibilities that you can expect working as customer service manager. As a customer service manager, you will be acting as the primary point of contact for students, engaging with them during online workshops and live retreats. You will be hosting weekly group calls and live sessions, providing support and guidance. You need to respond to chats and engage with the community in company's clients' Facebook group. Then you need to participate in Monday morning meetings and other scheduled sessions. You need to handle various administrative tasks as needed, including managing CRM updates and communications. You need to maintain a professional appearance for live calls and interactions. You need to assist with client onboarding and ensure they have a positive experience with the program. And you need to be open to flexible scheduling, including evenings and weekends as required for events. And you also have to support client success through excellent communication, multitasking, and time management. As this is a part-time opportunity, if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, you can apply for the job. And this is a simple application form that you can fill out by providing your name, email ID, then your phone number, your photograph here. It is optional, and then provide your Skype ID, the country, where you reside, and then you can upload your resume, skill, tools, and then how soon you can start, and what is your USD hourly rate you can provide here, and then details related to are you amenable to work during US hours, and are you willing to use a time tracking tool, and then technical specifications related to your main device and backup device, and then internet connections, etc. So this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for work from home part-time job opportunities. And if you have already been working into like some kind of some kind of customer service related positions role, you could be a good fit for this role. So go ahead and check out all the details. And if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, apply for the job. Thank you for listening.